Hi to all, my name is Dark. So in today's video I'm on the roof of my house and it's time for upgrade. So, and what I mean by upgrade is from going from this heating system to this. So, like you saw in intro, I'm gonna replace this heating system. This is for water heating system, and I'm going to go to full electric. So for you it's gonna be minutes, and for me it's gonna be 60 or more days. So now I have to take this out and go to full electric, so stay tuned. So I'm on my roof. It's nice and sunny, it's very hot, so now I have to take all this apart. You have to be careful because they're all glass, and to take this out you simply do this. You simply unscrew this. So for this you need key 16, and if you cannot turn, this is plastic, so you have to push it and then turn. And then when you take this out, you simply slide it out, but you have to be very careful because do not break this. So I'm going to work. So I'm here, the roof is ready to install the panels. I cannot do that because in Croatia it has to do by electrician with a firm, so this cannot be do it yourself because they must do it. So let's start. So as you can see, they've put panel holders, and this is just preview of the panel. So this panel is full black and it's gonna be brutal. And we have two strings, so we have 12 sets of panels on each side. Here are the cables, so here is one string and there is another. So it's almost finished. Woo! So they start to put the solar panels and they look fantastic. Full black. Yes. So one string, as you see, is done and they look beautiful. Full. They are full beautiful. So as you can see, the solar panels are all in and they look beautiful. It's now cloudy and we don't have yet sun, but it will be fantastic. So after 86 days, finally I can turn on my solar plant, so the sun rises up there, but it's cloudy and we don't have sun, but we can now turn on the solar plant. So here is setup in my house. So these are high voltage breakers, and the line goes here from solar panels and it goes here. Here we have two strings. This is Huawei inverter SUN2000. So up I have 10.8 kilowatts of power in theory, and as you can see and they blink, they're not connected to the grid, and they did the so now it's time to connect them. So here are the breakers. We're gonna turn it on. So after 86 days I can turn this on. As you can see, the lights must be all solid, so that we have Wi-Fi, we have AC power, and we have DC power. So now we have to wait, because now, as you can see, it's 5:41 and now it's 9th of July. Wow, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, but wait, I will show you the app first. I'm sorry, I just woke up. We don't have any solids because we don't have yet the sun, but soon we'll have it. So now we have steady lights on the DC and AC power. We're gonna go to the app through all the year. So we have 0.38 kilowatts, but that was just the test. And now today we'll see how many kilowatts can we collect from the sun. So now you can see we have steady green light on DC and AC power, and we are connected, and now we're just waiting for the sun. So at the end of the day I will put a video on how much kilowatts did my solar plant make, and that's it. So at the end of the day, these were the results. You can see max power 10.66 kilowatts per hour, and don't forget the collectors are for 10.8 kilowatts per hour, so that's brutal. And yesterday, as you can see, 46 kilowatts per hour we gain. So that's very nice results. Here you can see that we didn't have the perfect day, but it's okay, it's the first day. My name is Aiko. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video, and don't forget to support me. Aiko out. Bye.